Do you use Trello for task management and Notion for the notes or documentation? What if you could connect both? So your Trello cards automatically appear in Notion. In this video, I will show you how to integrate Trello with Notion step by step so you can keep your workflow perfectly in sync. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology and help you to connect tools and automate your digital workspace. Now, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our easy automation tutorial, and also check the description to get the special offers. Now, let's get back to the video. Once you are inside your favorite browser, make sure you logged in both of these platforms, the Trello and Notion, then go to the Zapier. So you can use the zapier.com or the automate.io or the make.com, but for this example I am using the Zapier. So once you are inside, and if you don't have any account, you can create in just a minute. So here just click on this create button. Now go with this Zaps. Now give it a name, then just click on this trigger and here search for the Trello, and here it is, we got it. Now choose this. Now here choose an event, and for this example I am clicking this new activity. Now I have logged in this account. Let's say first disconnect this or reconnect. So here you will find there is an option for the sign in your case, but I have already connected this so it's showing, but I will show you. So let's click on this reconnect and let's reconnect again. So you can see this kind of interface on this pop-up. Now just allow this. And you are connected with Zapier and the Trello. Now click on this continue. Now choose the activity here. So obviously I will go with this any activity. Now let's continue again. Now if you want, then you can test the trigger, or if you don't want, then you can just simply close this, but let's test it. Continue with selected records, and our trigger is completely okay. And search for the Notion here. So here it is. So just select that. Now choose an event, and I will go with the create a page. So let's search that. Here it is. So in this video I am using this. Now similarly you have to log in your account. So let's reconnect this, but in your case it will say that sign in. So if you click on this, the process will be similar. Now here just simply click on this select pages. Now give the allow access, and here it is, your Zapier is connected with Notion. Now click on this continue. Now you have to choose the page here. Okay, so here it is, I have the page in Notion, so I'm just selecting this. Now click on this continue. Now test this, and that's it. We have tested it and our integration is properly working. Let's publish this. We have connected our Trello with Notion. So that's it basically. This much simple it is. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.